back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Remodeling and Renovations. As you can see, what we've been able to do for this customer is give them a total transformation when it comes to their outdoor living experience. Now, if you look around, a lot of the homes that you see, they maybe have some type of pergola, but none of them have a screened-in porch. Well, that's what we did for this customer. We gave them a screened-in porch, screened-in area that allows for them to be able to accommodate friends, family, and guests. We also provide them with an ability to be able to utilize this space for all of their outdoor gatherings, and we made it go with the home. So if you're in a position, if you're in the Bentwater, Seven Hills area, Paulding County in specific, or anywhere in between, Cobb County as well, and you're looking for a way to add not only a roof covering, but a screened-in porch roof covering, or just a roof covering, it definitely says that you're going to be in a better position than those that may just have a pergola, but it's also going to put you in the best position to be able to position yourself to enjoy the outdoor heat. All brought to you by Brooks Remodeling and Renovations, where we turn dreams into reality, just like we've been able to do for this customer.